The Trump administration has halted nearly all foreign aid, with the U.S. Agency for International Development as its main target to cut down on federal spending.
All too often, these missions and these programs, number one, are not in line with strategic U.S. interests.
That 90-day freeze had abruptly stopped programs across the globe, providing humanitarian and development assistance. The agency works in more than 100 countries, supporting businesses in places like Kosovo.
There are projects that have been running 2-3 years, or even a year, just kicked off, and they were just cut off.
Doctors are now faced with shutting down global clinics that rely on USAID. Some of those include prevention for HIV and treatment for tuberculosis and cholera.
That's 6.3 million people, 6.3 million AIDS-related deaths that will occur in future.
UN officials are also warning of a 400% increase in AIDS deaths worldwide if resources are not restored. Secretary of State Marco Rubio has since issued waivers which will keep life-saving humanitarian assistance open. But some aid workers say there's a lack of communication on whether they can restart their work.
But there is still a lot of confusion about that waiver, and we're hearing and seeing on the ground that it is slowly being implemented. The waiver should mean that 20 million people living with HIV that depend on U.S. aid for their treatment can continue their medication.
A federal judge has since ordered the reinstatement of nearly 500 USAID workers after 2 unions sued the federal government. At the White House, Lucas Tomlinson, Fox News.